In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a phone number to your Shopify store. Adding your contact number helps customers reach you more easily and builds trust with your business. So let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, look toward the bottom left corner and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click on General. This section contains your basic store information and contact details. Now scroll down until you find the Store Phone section. Next, click the pencil or edit icon beside the phone number field. Enter the phone number you want customers to use when contacting your store. Make sure to include the correct country code if needed. Double check the number carefully to ensure customers can reach you without any issues. Once everything looks correct, click Save to apply your changes. And that's it. Your phone number has now been added to your Shopify store. Thanks for watching and happy selling.